Feline eating disorders continued. In our yesterday's class, you heard the cat owner writing to the customer relations executive of the company from which he buys food for his pet. He tells that he has a cat called Nala. She is named after the lioness in The Lion King, although she does not look like a lion. Rather, she is small and strippy. But it seems she likes her name. He also writes that she likes catty food. She gets angry when they give her other food. He is worried about his cat Nala because she keeps being sick after eating her favorite food, meat or jelly. She doesn't go out, instead she stays in the room. He says that he doesn't like the smell of meat or jelly when it is especially brought from the market and opens it from the bag. And after the cat eats it, it is not good at all for the cat. He tells that his cat is displaying symptoms of bulimia. Here, bulimia is an illness in which a person repeatedly eats too much and then forces one to vomit. The following letter is a reply from a customer relations executive of Catty Foods. Order reference number 38911 and 993. Dear Anthony, thanks for getting in touch about our products. Naturally, we are concerned by this and would like to bring it to the attention of our quality control managers. Therefore, if you have retained any pouches from the batch in question, could you please return them to us for examination? We will then be able to respond to your complaint more thoroughly. You can use the short free post address quoted below. So, in the reply letter, Anthony was informed that they would like to bring it to the attention of the quality control managers. The in charge asked him whether he had any more packets left out to return it, so that they would check them. Then they would be able to respond to his complaint thoroughly. He was given a free post address. After sending the remaining packets, he received another letter. It was from Susan Hendy, in charge of customer care team. It read, FAO Susan 38986993, Free Post Catty Foods. Regarding Nala's other issues, there are many reasons why cats will vomit, such as eating their favorite food too quickly, eating something odd while out toileting in other people's gardens, or even if they don't particularly like your carpet. Low self-esteem isn't usually a problem for cats. It is usually quite the opposite. So, I would rule out bulimia as a cause. It is possible that she is anxious about her adoption. Perhaps you could give her access to your internet so that she could try to trace her relatives that way instead. Maybe she would like to live closer to the sea. You would always sail up and move to sea if that makes a difference. That would also solve her issues with your carpet. I look forward to hearing from you. Please quote the above reference number and your postal address when contacting us. If you need any more help or advice, please don't hesitate to let me know. Yours sincerely, Susan Hendy, Customer Care Team, 0800 738800. So Anthony was informed that there are many reasons why cats vomit. It may be sometimes because they eat their favorite food very quickly, eating something else from outside, or they may not like the owner's carpet. He was told that low self-esteem was not a cause. She told that bulimia, which means overeating, could be the cause of vomiting. Or maybe she is missing her dear ones and relatives, or Maybe she would like to live near the sea. So the owner was asked to sell his property and move to a coastal area to see if that would make a difference. So this was the advice given by Susan Hendy from the customer care team.